Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Tuesday. Hopefully, you guys are doing great and you guys are doing as well as how the market is doing, right? I mean, if you look across the board, Dow, the Nas, and the Spiders, all of them, after some shaky morning, I mean, the drift is easily on the long side, right? So, which means the markets are going to be easy to trade, and that's what it feels like. First name which I traded on today was GILD. So this is more of a sell the news event, right? Let me pull up the daily chart on the GILD. Now, if you look on this chart, uh, this stock clearly has a downtrend, right? I mean, you don't really need to be a genius to figure this out on daily chart. It is on a downtrend. Now, past 2 days, it did had an up move, and people were looking to try to buy it again on today's gap. But this is a pure sell the news event. I mean, I think there was some earnings on it today, and the earnings was really a sell the news event where you actually have to sell it to actually make some money. Oh, by the way, if you guys like the video, please do like and subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos for you guys so you can learn a lot from it. Coming back to the trade on GILD, the way I traded it was right off the morning. My bias was short, right? So I was looking on the 1 minute chart to see if there's going to be any opportunity for me to actually trade this name. Um, so here's what I saw. Once I saw this, um, there was a mini flag pattern out here, right? It's not the cleanest of the move, but if you look at it, down move, sideways consolidation, and then the next move was down. So that is where I actually shorted this name on the GILD, short 68.25, covered 68.3, and so around 68 I have some covers on it. But if you look at the 5 minute chart, it actually gave you a lot more opportunities as well. I didn't really look at the name after, just after I made profits. Once again, I do not trade full time, I trade part time, which means whenever I see an opportunity, only then I'm going to trade, or else I have other commitments in life. So JLD, if you try to pull this bear flag again on this, I mean it did. If you try to short over here 68.14, it did drop down again to 67.60, right? So nice 50-60 cent drop on here. If you put a risk over here 68.30, so risk about 20 cents, make about 60 cents. That's pretty good. That's 3 hour returns. The other name which I traded was ZAIS. Now this is a small cap name. um, had some news on it. I'm not really sure what's going on with this, but if you look at the stock, right, it has the history of making some pretty violent moves, right? I mean, the reason being is the float is super low. It's like 12 million float, which means people are really going to sit down and churn this account. And today it actually traded about 25 million, right? So it kind of doubled its float. So in the daily chart, you actually see that it has a history of making runs, right? That's one of the key important things. Now, the idea really is trying to find an opportunity on the 5 minute chart and see if there's going to be an entry or not. Now, as I mentioned, I do have other commitments, so I wasn't really able to focus it on all times, but here is what the really good trade really was. When the stock dipped back to this 20-day moving average, went sideways, and over this I would say give or take about this $375 level is when it started breaking. So you should have seen all this volume coming in, and it went from 375 to almost $5 in almost 3-4 candles, right? So that's pretty good. Now I was getting involved in over here, so I was hoping for this stock to actually start breaking through 5 and maybe make another move because it was doing a consolidation above the day's high, right? This is the day's high over here. Uh, so my thought process is really, if this stock is able to do a consolidation over the day's high, maybe it has some more legs for it to make a move through to $6. But that didn't really happen. I mean, the stock went over 5, and after you see the zigzag move, it actually started flushing down. So I did make some coin on it, made 800 shares, so got probably around 14 cents on it. Nothing too big. But overall, I would say it's not the brightest of the trade, but then it is what it is, what the market gives you. So overall, a really positive day. Made about $152. So that's it for the day, guys. Once again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Kind of make more videos for you guys to learn, and hopefully you guys are profitable. Have a good one.